Okay guys, today we're starting our one-step equations, and the three main things you want to get accomplished to do this is you want to isolate the variable, in which that means to get the variable by itself. Then to be able to do that, you have to do the opposite operation. So today we're talking about adding. The opposite of adding is subtracting, and the opposite of subtracting is adding. And then, like we talked about with our balanced scale, whatever you do to one side of the equation, you have to do to the other. So we're going to do some examples in class today together, but I want to do them here as well. So I want to get this x by itself. To do that, then I am going to want to get rid of this plus 8. So to get rid of something, you do the opposite. So the opposite of adding 8 is not just subtracting, but subtracting 8. And then whatever you do to one side of the equation, and that's why I drew this line here, so you can see both sides. Whatever you do to one side of the equation, then you've got to do the same thing to the other side. These cancel out and leave me with that x by itself. And then on the right side, you do the math. 21 minus 8 is 13. So x would equal 13. Now guys, if we go back up here to this original problem, there is no reason to get these wrong. We're saying x equals 13. So I'm going to put in a 13 there. Put in your calculators 13 plus 8, and it will equal 21, so you know that x equals 13. All right, let's look at this one. I want to get this x by itself. To do that, I have to get rid of that plus 19. To get rid of something, I do the opposite. The opposite of adding 19 is subtracting 19. Whatever I do to one side of the equal sign, I have to do to the other side to keep my equation balanced. These two cancel out because think about it. If you had $19 and you spent $19, you would have no dollars. So it's gone. So all I have left is that x. And then on the right side, I do 45 minus 19, which is 26. Then I'm going to ask you to do the rest of these until you get to the stop sign, and you're going to stop.